You might be asked to create a referral for behavior consulting for a student at your school. And if you are asked to do so, you just need to open up your Clever and make sure that you've got the right location if you've got more than one location in your profile. And then you choose the referral for behavior consulting from the list of forums in the listings card here. Now, these are the students that have a referral for behavior consulting form already created. If the student is not on this list, you will have to add them using the add button up here, or it means that they are inactive. Now, I have got both my active and inactive students showing up. Active students are students at my school presently. They attend my school. Inactive person status means that they have attended my school in the past but no longer do so. That's the difference. And there's also a pre-registered, so those would be like grade 8 students in June might be pre-registered in their high school. So Edie Fian might see the student's name and pre-registered because they are coming in the fall. But if I have a student that I want to create a referral for, like this test student, I would just click on their name. And for this one, I don't know if you can see, but I can't interact with anything here. There's nothing I can click. I can't type in anywhere. And if I return to the home screen, I can see why. This record has been locked. An active record is open. A locked record means that it's been dealt with and it's done, it's over. But if I need another referral for the same student and it's locked, that's no problem. I would go up to records, and all I do is I type in a new record, and it will take this locked record and it will archive it so that it still can be found, and then it will have a brand new form on top. So here is my behavior consulting form. It's now open. I can interact with all of the different boxes and fields. Now, these lightly blue shaded ones are ones that have information that will pull from our student information system automatically. If they're all blank, and they shouldn't be, I mean, the school and the grade should pull no matter what. Some of these other fields might not have data, like a cell phone might not be filled in, but school and grade for sure should. So if they're blank, you just go to the right corner, hover over integration and push import data, and these will fill in. You can also choose them for yourself. I can't do the import data on a fake student, so I just have to choose them for myself. The other thing on the tabs you'll notice are the red stars that are required fields. And as soon as I type in anything, I choose one of the options, this bar starts to complete. It starts to fill in. So when this bar is complete, it means that your form is complete. Okay. Anywhere else on this form, you just fill in as much information as you have. If there are the add and the X buttons together, like here's an add and an X, I can add in another name for a teacher and another role. If I don't need that role, I can X this right back out and it returns back to 1. So you can add in as many people or as much extra information. There is your primary or parent-guardian information, and here's another required field. As soon as I choose that, it climbs up to 33%. I would type in the name of the parent or guardian and pick a date, and it's climbed up to halfway done. The second tab is the reason for referral. So this is, fill in the boxes as you're going, the background information, any behaviors that you're noticing. Again, here's an add if you've got more than one thing that isn't showing up on this checkboxes, strategies, and then a description of the most recent incident that has happened. On the Submit tab, the person submitting this file to the coordinators and things like that, you check off the box, and again, the completion tab starts to fill in, and it will automatically send an email to the student's principal. So you just push the button, and the date will self-fill. Okay, you can see right there. You also want to push the button to notify Carrie Anning, and the same thing will happen. and you want to choose a coordinator for your school, and they're all listed down below. Choose the name and send that notification as well. So after each one of those are sent, the dates will fill in and you're at 100%. Your job is done. This last tab is for the teacher on assignment to keep track of where this referral is. So they would open a referral, they might be monitoring the student, or they can choose to close the student or close it and finalize it below. So if it is opened, the first time they open it, maybe it's December 1st, and the teacher on assignment will be chosen and notified. As soon as this form is finalized or closed, it says finalize the form below. Are you ready to finalize this form for the teacher on assignment? As soon as this box is checked, the form gets locked down like we saw, the name fills in, and it has been locked. So now I can't make any changes on this form anymore. That is it. There's also a print button up here, and for this form you can print a PDF copy of this referral, and you can use it, put it in a binder, or save it somewhere else. If you have any questions at all, or if you're wondering how to do anything else in Clever, visit the GSCS portal and click on the icon that says Clever Help and Tips, or call 8888 or start a help ticket, and someone will give you a hand as soon as possible.